Welcome to the Dolomites, one of the most majestic and beautiful mountain ranges in the world. Nestled in northeastern Italy, these stunning peaks are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for their unique geological formations and breathtaking landscapes. The Dolomites offer a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're hiking through verdant valleys, skiing down powdery slopes, or rock climbing the rugged cliffs, there's an adventure for everyone. Beyond the thrilling activities, the Dolomites are a sanctuary of natural beauty. From the vibrant wildflower meadows to the crystal-clear alpine lakes, every corner of this region is a testament to nature's artistry. The Dolomites are also rich in cultural heritage. The charming villages, with their traditional architecture, offer a glimpse into the region's history and traditions. And let's not forget the delectable local cuisine, where you can savor dishes that reflect the unique blend of Italian and Alpine influences. The Dolomites are home to a diverse array of wildlife. Protecting these ecosystems is crucial for maintaining the region's biodiversity. The conservation efforts here are essential to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at this natural wonder. The beauty of the Dolomites is undeniable, but with great beauty comes great responsibility. It's imperative that we all play our part in preserving these landscapes. Responsible tourism, sustainable practices, and conservation efforts are key to ensuring that the Dolomites remain pristine. The Dolomites transform with the seasons, each bringing its own unique charm. In spring, the mountains come alive with vibrant wildflowers, painting the meadows in a rainbow of colors. Summer is a time of lush greenery, perfect for hiking and outdoor activities. Autumn blankets the landscape in rich, warm hues as the leaves change color, creating a breathtaking contrast against the rugged peaks. And winter turns the Dolomites into a snowy wonderland, ideal for skiing and snowboarding enthusiasts. Hiking in the Dolomites is a must for any visitor. With countless trails ranging from easy walks to challenging climbs, there's something for everyone. The Tres Cimes di Lavoridu, or Three Peaks, is one of the most iconic hiking destinations, offering stunning views and dramatic landscapes. The Alta Via routes are long-distance trails that take hikers through some of the most scenic parts of the region, providing an immersive experience of the Dolomites' natural beauty. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, the Dolomites are home to the Via Ferrata, or iron paths. These routes are equipped with fixed cables, ladders, and bridges, allowing climbers to navigate the rocky terrain safely. Originally developed during World War I to help troops move through the mountains, the Via Ferrata now offers an exhilarating way to explore the Dolomites' rugged cliffs. Throughout the Dolomites, you'll find alpine huts and refuges that offer a warm welcome to weary travelers. These rustic lodgings provide not only a place to rest but also a taste of traditional alpine hospitality. Enjoy hearty meals made with local ingredients, and wake up to breathtaking mountain views right outside your door. The culture of the Dolomites is as rich and diverse as its landscapes. The region is home to a mix of Italian, German, and Ladine influences, reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and traditions. Throughout the year, Villages host festivals and events that celebrate their unique heritage. From music and dance to culinary delights, these festivities offer a glimpse into the vibrant culture of the Dolomites. The Dolomites are teeming with wildlife, each species playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Keep an eye out for marmots basking in the sun, chamois navigating the steep slopes, and golden eagles soaring high above. Preserving the natural habitats of these animals is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of the region's biodiversity. Protecting the Dolomites requires collective effort and responsible practices. Many initiatives focus on conservation and sustainability, ensuring that this natural wonder remains pristine for future generations. From cleanup drives to eco-friendly tourism practices, everyone has a part to play in preserving the beauty and integrity of the Dolomites. Choosing sustainable tourism options can make a significant impact. Eco-friendly accommodations minimize environmental footprints, while guided nature tours educate visitors about the importance of conservation. By supporting local businesses that prioritize sustainability, we contribute to the long-term health of the Dolomites. The Dolomites are a true testament to nature's grandeur. From the first light of dawn casting a golden glow on the peaks to the star-filled night skies, every moment spent here is a reminder of the Earth's breathtaking beauty. As we continue to explore and enjoy the Dolomites, let's remember the importance of stewardship. Protecting these mountains ensures that their beauty endures for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey. We hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more adventures. See you next time.